Check that the suction filter in the tank has been placed in the correct position. Check if the overflow pipe has been placed correctly in the drainage inside the tank. Press the on-off switch. The dishwasher will fill with water and will heat up. The machine is ready for use when both heater lights go off. Check if the items to be washed are suitably placed in the basket for dishwashing and load the dishwasher. Add the liquid detergent manually in the tank unless the dishwasher is equipped with a detergent pump. Push the start button to start the washing cycle. During the washing and rinsing cycle, the cycle light stays on. When the cycle light goes off, you can unload the machine. At the hood type models, the washing program starts by closing the hood. At the end of the day, turn off the on-off switch. Remove the overflow pipe in order to empty the tank. Close the door. If the machine is equipped with draining pump, press the start button in order to start the draining cycle. Otherwise, leave the machine to empty freely by gravity.